Now that we know how to find the HCF of 2 or more numbers, let us try it on 3 numbers and more using any of the methods that you find are easy to use. Now, most students find it easy to use the prime factors method. So let's apply that to finding the HCF of 12, 18, and 24. Solution. To find the HCF of 12, 18, and 24, we have to first express each of these numbers, that is 12, 18, and then 24, as a product of its prime factors. So for 18, 12 first. So let's try that for 12 first. Now the number that divides 12 without remainder, we start with 2. 2 in 12, 6. 2 in 6, 3. And then 3 in 3, 1. So that means 12 equals 2 times 2 times 3. Now let's apply it to 18. For 18, 2 goes in 18 9 times, then 3 in 9, 3 times, 3 in 3 once, making our 18 to be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now, let's do the same for 24. For 24, 2 goes in 24 12 times, 2 in 12, 6, 2 in 6, 3, 3 in 3 once. That is 24 becomes 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now let's put the 3 of them side by side and then compare. That is, for 12 we had 2 times 2 times 3. For 18 we had 2 times 3 times 3. And then for 24 we had 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now, of all of these, what they have in common, we have 2's and then 3's. That is HCF of 12, 18, and 24 equals 2 times 3, which will give us 6. That is the highest common factor of 12, 18, and 24 is 6. You can try this by method of listing of factors and compare with what we have gotten here. Thank you.